This game for a really long time. I got the bonus on it. Hope you guys can see the whole thing. Anything but the 8 games. 4th place, not required. Anything but the 8 games. I'll take 20 free games. Okay. I would have taken a jackpot, but anything but the 8 free games. Hope you guys can see the whole thing. I forget exactly how this bonus works, but let's find out. Okay, I need those wilds things, Sons of Anarchy symbols. Oh, not a good start so far. Come on, don't do this. Oh, this is bullshit, man. Come on. Oh, too bad I didn't get the wild thingy. I haven't landed the wild once. Okay, come on. Are these okay? These are motorcycles go by. Keep going. Oh, too bad Jax wasn't on the 3rd reel. Come on, wild. This. Can you imagine if we had a wild on there multiplied? That would have been so good. Unbelievable win. Even though this place isn't record friendly, I'm gonna let this ring up. Fuck this place. Can you imagine if I had a wild symbol and it would have been a multiplier? Well, let's see. 80 bucks? Hell yeah. Oh my God, that. Yeah, see, imagine if I had that thing 1 spin ago. My God. It would have been well over 200 bucks if I'm not mistaken. I mean, I'll take it. No complaints here. Still got 8 games left. Oh, come on. Every motorcycle, please go by. All right, 10x. At least I got one 10x. Okay, it's something. Dynamite win. Nice, all right. Come on, let's get 100x. Still got 6 games left. Come on, don't die out now. You're doing so good. No, don't stop. Come on. Oh, that's nothing. Is it done giving? I mean, it's over 100 bucks, but let's get 100x. There's a $1.20 bet. With 2 games left. I need a high multiplier here. All right, last one. Either way, no complaints. A re-trigger? Yes, all right, 10 more games. All right, this bonus isn't over. Come on, now we really got to get 100x here. That's nothing. Oh, shit. Come on, don't waste this re-trigger. Come on, give me Jax with a multiplier. Oh, that was nothing? 5 games left. Oh, shit, don't do that. Don't waste this re-trigger. Come on. Okay, this will be... I need a high multiplier. Only 2x. I didn't know you... No. Okay. Am I going to get... Is this the no... Okay, good. I wasn't sure.
No limits bonus.
I wasn't sure if you could get the no limits respins bonus during the actual bonus. Come on, land clay. Land them. With the wilds. Oh. High multiplier. Oh, come on. 2 more games. All right, last one. Not quite 100x, but no complaints either way. That was good. 118 bucks on a $1.20 bet. That's what I needed too.
I'm focused. And this ain't finished.
That was awesome. First time playing this game in a really long time. Anyway, gotta go.